Hello everybody, it is Blue Fox Plush here. As you can see, I am playing my account that I was playing earlier, SS96SS30. I'm supposed to be a noob, but I don't feel like changing the colors. But really, this is really about fun, not about like telling what I'm supposed to be. Okay, we're gonna try our best to annoy people here because that's what I do. To make it even more fun, I want to see what I look like as a child. My God, why is my head so big? Oh, I'm gonna go to teen. Okay. I wanna go back to adult, please. Thank you. Okay. Now we're gonna go in the. No, we're not gonna go in the neighborhood. Let's get a meep. See if I can get a meep. A meep. That's a fun word today. Meep. Let's see how much they are. I haven't played this in forever, so I just forgot how much they were. 100 coins. Can I just, name it? Okay, I'm gonna name it after my friend that I was playing with earlier. RR96RR30. They're basically the same username as me, just well, not, cause it's ours instead of. The name you entered was filtered by Roblox. Please try something else. Okay. Okay. FDJHFDHYD. Guys, this is actually one of my Roblox accounts. I have a lot of Roblox accounts. Oh, come on. Is this one better? Oh, seriously? Are you gonna, Flamingo. No, I'm not gonna do that. Idiot. Wait. Idiot. Jumbo. Seriously? Idiot. Yes, of course I want to buy this idiot. I mean, look at... Seriously, you can't even see his name. I'm selling him. Oh wait, I can't sell him. Can I get a new meat? Yeah, whatever. No. Really? Yes. Oh, so it can do guest. It just can't do noob or anything like that. That's nice. Guys, that's so nice. Sorry for the background noise because I've noticed in all my Roblox videos there's been background noises because I can't get rid of the background noise. I'm sorry. It's because my fan is on where I am and the AC is really, really loud. So, sorry. Look, it's Sam's the skeleton. It's nice, huh, guys? Yeah. You guys aren't gonna be able to hear anything because my computer's being dumb, and it won't it won't let me listen to any type of music. It won't play any sound. So, yeah, sorry guys. It's gonna be like that because it's a but does that really matter? No, because you guys don't really need to hear it, because that can also due to a copyright claim. Anyway, so I don't need this. No, I don't want that stupid thing. See, look at all these people. Why? There's a child here. Why is there a child? What the heck? That's gonna burn someone's eyes. That will burn everyone's eyes. How are you guys not affected by that? That hurts my eyes. What is it with this even being a meme? Why are children in a party filled with adults? Quote-unquote adults. And quote-unquote children. Well, can always be actual children, because little kids like to play Roblox. The real parties on the roof. Don't fall off. On the roof. Okay, come on, Quest. Let's go to the. It said the real parties on the roof. I went to the roof. It lied, guys. It lied to all of us. Look, Foxy. She's just like Purple Man. I wanted her to join. Why didn't know? Well, because I love FNAF, so I'm gonna join it. That's really the only reason I'm joining this. Look at the. Whoa, that's cool. Oh, look, a little child. You're in a haunted house filled with pizzeria thing. Quest, can you stop following me around? Oh wait, forgot Meeps. Never stop following you around. I think like some FNAF music is playing. Like said, I don't know because my volume hasn't been working. But whenever making a video, that's good because copyright claims. Whenever not making a video, that's just plain out bad because I actually want to listen to it. And I got some popcorn. How do you like me now? I like the way how they eat stuff and drink stuff actually looks like how it looks like in real life, because it gives it an actual purpose. Okay, so really all I'm going to be doing in this episode is, oh look, it's a Springtime boy. All I'm going to be doing it really in this episode is talking about things while exploring around Meep City, because I don't really feel like making a proper video today, because I just don't want to. I'm lazy right now. It's 9:58 p.m. for me right now, and I'm pretty tired, but yeah, plus I need to get back to my sleeping schedule for school. School's gonna start in like either 1 or 2 weeks, so if you guys realize I'm not posting as much like how I've been doing, that's because a lot of things have been getting in my way. Plus school, so well, school is not in my way yet. It's going to be in my way in 2 weeks or 1, I don't know. I'm really scared though. I'm scared for school because I'm going in 6th grade and like I'm not prepared for that. Can you get off my shoulder? You're annoying, Quest. I should have named you something else because I don't want to continuously say Quest, but it wouldn't allow me to call you Noob. I'd rather call you Noob. Oh my god, I spent all my money. I spent all my money on a little pet. Why did I do that? I need to learn how to stop doing that. Okay. Gonna go to the neighborhood. Haha. My first account, when I played this, I actually have a lot of furniture and stuff. Yeah, I have a lot of furniture. But the thing that I really want to talk about right now is people being rude to guests and noobs. Why are you rude to them? I just want to know that. I mean, I haven't been seeing a lot of, I haven't been seeing any guests so far. But, like, why are people so mean to guests and noobs? Guests and noobs are the most hated people in, Roblox. So, it's actually unfair to be rude to people who are noobs and, who are guests, because guests are guests because, well, sometimes they can't even make an account. Trust me, I've witnessed that before. I couldn't make a Roblox account for whatever reason, so I had to be a guest and everyone was bullying me. One time I was playing a FNAF game about like 2 years ago, and I was playing as Bonnie, and since my little chat bar thing wasn't working, I had to I actually had to use the little name tag, the roleplay name tag, to talk to this girl, and this girl was actually being pretty nice to me. And then another girl came up and said, Bonnie is a guest. He's talking with the name tag. I was trying to explain to her that my chat thing bar whatever wasn't working, but it wouldn't allow me to say that in the tag, the roleplay tag thing for whatever reason. But that was 2 years ago. I got bullied for it. Yeah. I don't know why though. I mean, I was playing as myself. I wasn't a guest. Why are you even mean to guests or noobs? No offense to anyone who's watching who is like that, but seriously, if you're gonna be rude to someone, be rude to the people who are mean to the guests and noobs. Seriously, because those people actually deserve to be treated like trash because of what they do to the poor noobs and guests. What did the guests and noobs ever do to you? Let's see, nothing. Seriously, they never do nothing. You only have a right to be angry or be rude to them if, like, they did something bad or whatever. Just don't be so hard on the poor noobs and guests. Seriously, you can like be mad at them if they're ever doing anything bad to you or something, which I don't think they would. I mean, but still, I don't appreciate that people do that to the poor guests and stuff. It's just not fair to them, because, like, you know, well, they're just guests who are they're just guests and noobs who are trying to fit in with everyone. I think. I mean, that's what most people do. And yet, they do that to the poor noobs. This is actually why I made this account, because I'm gonna be dressed as a noob, because it's gonna be noob pride. Oh no, it's gonna be noob pride. Yeah, that's gonna be a thing now, because noobs deserve to have a pride, I guess. No, not noob pride. It's gonna be noob and get save guests and noobs. Yeah. Hashtag stop guest and noob abuse now. But seriously, abuse is a thing that's serious, so I don't know why I'm joking about this. But seriously, you guys need to stop being rude to guests and noobs. I've spent almost half my video talking about noobs and guests. Okay, now I'm gonna just turn around for a minute and let's try to make it interact with someone. Dude. Let's see. Look, the sun came up. It's burning my eyes. Especially since it's getting a reflection off my glasses, which makes it hurt. Let me just say hi to this weirdo. Hi. Hi, how you been? How you doing? You doing good? You doing good. Okay, you're using Avatar Editor to make you look so cool. Okay. How about you just express yourself and not use Avatar Editor? I mean, you can do whatever you want. I'm not gonna control you. Like, I'm not gonna even try to, because you could do whatever you want. But why don't you just be yourself and not be someone you're not? Because then, what if people follow you and they'd be shocked because you're not actually what you seem? You know? Just, you know what I mean. Okay. I don't want to use this. Which I want. Can I change the meep name? Oh my god. Oh, she's not on. Oh, but this person is the person I was talking about, who was named R. That was named basically my name, just with R's and not S's. Because as you can see, let me just. Okay, it's not gonna work on us, so let me just find myself. There's me, CSS96, SS30. Okay. What is this? Okay, let's put this over here. Why am I doing this? I have no explanation.